Hey guys, we're on the trail hiking up to Shaden Falls to show you another beautiful waterfall here in
Wells Gray Provincial Park. It is a beautiful sunny day. Temperatures in the low 70s, very few people. If you ever have a chance to be in the neighborhood, it's a little remote, but it is definitely worth the trip.
Oh yeah, very worth the trip. So tag along with us. We got a lot of waterfalls to show you.
Today we're at Spa Hats Falls in beautiful Wells Gray Provincial Park here in British Columbia. It's an amazing park with multiple waterfalls, and the best part is it's completely free to everyone.
Spa Hats plunges about 262 feet into the Clearwater River.
We're hiking today in an old-growth forest, and what that means is it's a forest that's never been logged. In fact, some of the trees here actually grow to be 1,500 years old. The amazing thing we learned yesterday is about this stuff. It's actually called lichen, and it's an airborne plant that attaches to branches of trees, and unlike something like a Spanish moss, it's not invasive. It grows actually by absorbing the moisture in the air. This is a very moist environment. In fact, they say that 40% of the water that the trees gain is actually through fog and moisture in the air. Now, they say this stuff is edible and you can survive on it, but I think I'll pass on that one today.
Yeah, they say it has penicillin in it.
Yeah, that's okay. I don't need those properties
So
today.
if you're allergic, don't take
Oh,
it.
there's another good reason not to eat it. But anyway, it's a beautiful forest. It's very informative here, and we really encourage you to come see it.
Helmicken Falls plunges about 140 meters or 462 feet into the canyon below. It is so impressive to see. It's also Canada's fourth highest waterfall. Besides seeing all the great waterfalls and wildlife in the park, we really enjoyed the hiking. The trails were not crowded, and the warm smell of pine filled the air.